This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi rice in Cookingdom. First, let's dive into the basics of this exciting culinary challenge. Cookingdom is a fun game where you chop, mix, and cook to create delightful dishes. Mastering kimchi rice involves precise steps and quick actions to satisfy your virtual customers. We'll cover everything from gathering ingredients to plating your masterpiece, ensuring you earn those top scores. To begin your kimchi rice adventure in Cookingdom, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start by selecting your kimchi, ensuring it's ready for chopping. Next, choose a protein such as bacon or spam, dicing it into small, uniform pieces. Don't forget your cooked rice. Day-old rice often works best for a perfect texture. Finally, prepare any aromatics like minced garlic or sliced onions to enhance the flavor. Now let's get cooking. First, heat your pan to a medium-high setting and add a small amount of cooking oil. Sauté your chosen protein, like bacon or spam, until it's nicely browned and crisp. Then, add the chopped kimchi, stirring it for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's 80% cooked. Finally, mix in your cooked rice and a splash of kimchi juice, ensuring everything is well combined and heated through. Once your kimchi rice is perfectly cooked, it's time for the final presentation. Carefully plate your delicious creation, perhaps shaping it into a neat mound. For an extra touch, top it with a sunny-side-up egg, a sprinkle of fresh green onions, or toasted sesame seeds. Remember, in Cookingdom, speed and precision are key to satisfying customers and achieving 3-star ratings. Consider upgrading your kitchen equipment to boost your cooking efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.